Part 2. We're doing part 2. We're gonna do some, what do they call that?
No.
We're doing it again. We want it back. We want it back.
Alright, that's it. That is it.
Fine. Oh, it fell over. Dad, hold on. It fell over. Oh, now it's upside down. Alright, it's good. Hurry.
Those are annoying. Alright, no more.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. Wow. I hope y'all enjoyed that.
Look what this big box looks like, Chad.
I really hope you guys enjoyed that.
Here, like, oh, there.
I hope I put on a show for you guys. Me and my dad. That was our fireworks show by me and Dad. That was part 2. Part 3 is actually 4th of July. See you guys 4th of July.